Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see the remaining part, uh, remaining of the parts. That means we are going to see the one part that we are going to design today, and that will be the fin. So select front plane, go for sketch, select rectangle, design a rectangle, and give it a dimension of 30 mm, 40 mm to the top, and 30 mm to the yeah. That's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select a uh, line tool. Okay, yeah, that's okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to trim these. Actually, not these. Yeah, features, revolve as base, revolve along the axis. Hit OK. That's all created. Now go for this. Uh, Actually, we didn't define any of the. So go for sketch. Sketch. Let's give dimensions. 30, 40. This will be of 8 mm. This will be of 10 mm. This will be of 5 mm, or we can say 3 mm, and this will be of 5 mm. That's okay. Let's hit OK. Go for revolve boss base. Select this line. Hit OK. Go for this face. Go for sketch. Sketch. Let's draw a circle over here. Dimension. Actually, dimension of this will be 10 mm. Go for feature. Extrude cut. Cut up to 25 20 15 mm, 15 mm. That's okay. It's cutting. Yeah, now what we are going to do, go for the top plane. No, actually we are going for this plane. Go for sketch, convert entities. Which one? This one. Does it convert it? I think so. Now what we are going to do, we are going for the feature, helix and curve. Yeah, that's okay. Now what we are going to see, the helix is going downward direction, so just reverse it. It's now going up direction. And now what we are going to see, let's go for the top plane view. The helix is moving on from this side, so we have to convert this to the opposite side of 180 degree. Yeah, and the angle is in that direction, so we have to change it to the clockwise. Yeah, the height will be of 40 mm. That's okay. And let's hit here. The pitch, I think so we should increase. The pitch is okay. I think the pitch is okay, or we should increase it to the 80. Let's see. Yeah, now that's looking great. Hit OK. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the top plane. Go for sketch. Go and select the circle, draw a circle of dimension 200 mm. Yeah, go for feature, curves, helix and spiral, and the helix is starting from top. Then again we have to change it to 0 degree, and the direction of the helix is, we have to change it to counterclockwise, and I need it in the top. Yeah, that's okay. So that's okay, hit ok. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select this, control, select this, go to insert, surfaces and boundary surfaces, hit ok. Oh, let's select these two. Yeah, now that's looking like a fin. So hit ok, but we have to cut out some parts from this such that it could look like a, yeah. So go for sketch, selecting this plane and select the spline tool. Let's make some. Yeah, that's okay. Let's hit ok, and let's drag these parts, points actually. Rebuild this. Yeah, drag this, edit sketch. That's cool. What's going on? Yeah, yeah. I think it's looking much better than that. Let's drag it like this. Let's drag it like this. So it's more looking like a fin. Yeah. Now, so what we are going to do, we are going to hit ok, go for insert, go for surfaces, trim surfaces, and sketch file selected, and keep selection, yeah, remove selection. So if I select this plane or this plane, the plane which I have selected will be removed. So I'm going to select this plane, go hit ok. So the plane is removed and the fin is created now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to uh, thicken this plane actually. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do, we are going for insert, boss base and thicken, and we are going to select the both ways, and the dimension will be of, I think 1 mm will be great. That's okay. Hit okay. The fin is now ready. Now what we are what we can do now is we can go for feature, and for in feature linear pattern or circular pattern, and the surface is selected already. Equal spacing, and the direction will be in this circle direction. Yeah, that's okay. And if we see from above, that's okay. And if we hit okay, will it take? No, it's a problem causing in my software. I don't know why. I have to check this. uh, but you can draw this like this. There's some software issue, that's why it's not creating this plane. I will see in, but I will make it for the future video. Okay, so in this way we can draw the uh, fins. I will check it why it's not working, then I will save it for that. Okay, that's all for today. I am not going to repair that in this video, because it's it will take a lot of time. So for that, for then I am going to save this, and I will show you in the next video that how what was the problem and why it was not saving. I will check it and then I will show you. So for that, till then I am saving this, and that's all for today. Bye bye.